Stewart and this is Sandra Lane, and we're two moms of two girls, and we're always trying to find a good workout to get in shape. And we tried bar, Pilates, and different exercises that were really good to get my core in shape. But every time that I was trying bar and Pilates, people use the ball, and we noticed that every time we would keep falling or rolling around, and it was really disrupting during the class. So we decided to create the body ball band. The body ball band will hold the ball in one position so you can go to your class without any disruptions. Yes!
Also, with the body ball, you can do other exercises that you can keep your legs, your butt, and your abs up in shape. And it will work as a ball and mat holder.
So now please help us and contribute to our campaign. Help us to make body ball a national